Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are about to watch me install a 13 by 1 T-part lace front wig, which is what I have on. Before you get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I install this unit, so stay tuned. Hi guys, this is my hair from RESHINE hair off AliExpress. I am going to unbox the hair and show you guys what I got. I ordered a 24-inch, 150 density, kinky curly hair texture. Sorry y'all, I'm like so thirsty. I should have took a drink before I did this. Let's open this up and see what she's giving. Okay, so this is the hair. So I decided to get a T-part wig, transparent HD lace, said it was. And that's how that look. Of course, you guys see the 3 combs in there. It's a little lace in the back. I decided to order this because I was actually tired of my hair coming off the lace. Like, my laces get old so fast because all of this is usually lace and it's gone. So it's a nice texture. I know it's not really giving too much on here like that, but it didn't come with any pre-plucked baby hair. So
hey, what's up y'all? It is the baby hair princess and I am back at it again.
Get that together. And also in here they gave me some 3D mink lashes. It also came with some stocking caps, 2 pieces. And everybody know this girl right here, she famous. Oh my god! Wow! Everybody know her. And then they also gave me some clips, I guess, to hold the wig back. Or maybe just to put it in, you know, so to be cute, whatever. And they also gave me their Instagram handle. If y'all decide that y'all like this hair after I install it. So before I install it, the next thing I need to do is I'm going to bleach these knots. I don't really have much to bleach because this is a T-part wig. So I'm going to bleach these knots, guys, and I'll be back. I'm back. I'm getting ready to bleach my knots on this lace. Y'all remember this is the T-part, so I don't have very much bleaching space, you know, on the lace. All I have to do is just put the bleach right here and then go around the perimeter. I'm going to just show you how I just do this right quick. And just keep in mind, I'm trying not to color like those little fray hairs that be under there. So I'm trying to ball it up one more time before I come over with the bleach. And I just want to bleach just the lace only. And then with the bleach consistency, I use the BW2 powder. And I know that they give it a little bronzy look, but I kind of like the bronzy look actually, where it blended with my skin because I'm like a caramel color. And then I use 40 volume developer. And then as you can see, the consistency, like, you want the consistency to be thick. You want it to be thick enough where it kind of like sit on there and not just like pop off immediately, so that it don't soak through your lace. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna show y'all real quick just how I apply this. It's really, really simple, especially like on a lace like this. So okay, this is just pretty much all I gotta do right here. And I'm just like lightly dabbing it on there. Like, don't put it on there and brush it in or none of that. Just lightly dab it. Don't worry about if you get it on the sides and all that. Like, that really don't matter. Like, if it do bleach, it bleach. If it don't, it don't. Nobody gonna see that part because that's where your tracks are at. Okay, let me get over here on one side of this T, or one side of the perimeter. And I'm gonna go ahead down here with the bleach and just dab it right on along that little bit of space. Y'all, I've never wore a T-part wig. I've never dealt with a wig, a T-part wig. And I'm gonna get rid of these combs, y'all. Okay, I'm trying not to pack that in. But just go around, and for real, yeah, I'm gonna go a little bit further down the lace. I'm really feeling like I might end up having to get lace tint. I've heard people have bad experiences with the T-part lace, that they don't bleach well. So let's just hope this one bleach well. Put a little extra on here, just make sure. Just dab it on there though, not too much. I don't really want to promise those ends out, but and this don't need to stay on here too long. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes, y'all. And I will be back when the hair is all washed, dried, and ready to install. Okay, yeah, so I am back. I started to tint some of the lace because unfortunately I didn't tint the rest of the lace because I wanted to show y'all. They did not bleach like all the way through. So I could not lift the knots, as y'all can see that. Like this right here is where I started to tint the lace at, but it did not bleach the knots all the way through, unfortunately. So I went ahead and bought this lace tint, which I already did like the perimeter of my head and like down the middle for the part. Pluck the edges, you know, to give it that more realistic look. I'm gonna go ahead and tint the rest of this lace. Yeah, I was so nervous. I never used this tint before. I just wanted to make sure that it's gonna be the right color, you know, match my skin. So, all right. So I believe I got the lace tinted enough. Got the desired look. I am so new to this. Hopefully, I can become true to this. I'm coloring the edges, y'all. I'm putting some more on here. I was real nervous with it, so I didn't know how to do it, but I guess it's okay to be a little heavy with it. Alright. Ooh, I got a little too heavy with it. So, we're going to spray the Got To Be in the inside to seal that lace in there. Just a little bit. We're going to let this dry for a little bit. Alright, that's enough of that. So, let's go ahead and get her back up here. Alright guys, she's back. I'm going to get some alcohol and clean all of that up. In fact, I'm going to do that now, so I'm hoping the alcohol will clean it off. Let's see, y'all going to be witness right here with me. Yeah, it's working. Okay, alright. So yeah, we good. Let's go ahead and start to lay this lace. Alright, lace, I'm ready for you. Are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? Alright, y'all. I'm going to do 4 coats of this. Okay. I'm going to do like how I normally do and just rub it in with my finger, y'all, because this ain't really working out. Alright, and then it's going to dry clear. And we're going to do this 4 times. As y'all can see, that's had out over there already drying clear. I'll be back when it's time to lay this lace. What I did is I was going to come back when it's time to lay the lace. I did want to show y'all just one more time how you put this together. We're trying to rub it as thin as possible. And if you want to split the process, you can always take a blow dryer. Alright, I'm going to finish drying this and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. I actually started laying the lace and I actually forgot to push record. So here go the clips that they put in there. We try to use a little handy dandy clip to lay the rest of it. Y'all can see right here, like this really ain't like blended that good, like a really harsh line. But I wasn't trying to take out too much because this where it goes really thin at. So I'm really gonna leave these edges alone. Then I'm gonna just show y'all what I did on the other side real quick. I just for real. And as y'all can see, this lace, I mean, I wouldn't say it's different from a regular lace since they're trying to say like transparent or whatever. Like, I think it's just the same. I'm gonna do that, and then well, this how y'all can see. As y'all can see, I did not cut the lace yet. I didn't cut the lace yet because I wanted to separate what I wanted to be baby hairs first, because I don't have much wiggle room. So I have to really pick and choose if I'm gonna cut. You know how like it'd be like hairs and stuff that you usually just cut off with the lace because it's just like you don't need it. I really don't have much of an option when it comes to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just twist this up. Boom. Yeah, I did some of my first video, and I would pick a wig that I have no idea, because if this was like a regular lace wig, I would not have these problems at all. promise you I wouldn't have these problems. And then I was struggling, I had to stretch this wig a little bit because it's not big head friendly either. I'm ready to tie this wig down and let it set in this position, okay? And then I'll be back when it's all set, okay? Tie it down real quick and boom, I'll be back. Yeah, I'm back. Okay, I did half the lace because I figured y'all know what it look like to clip a lace, right? Let me go ahead and clip these little parts I got sectioned out for my baby hair. And I thought about, like, you know, like, what if it's somebody out there that just be like, damn, I just wish she would have cut the lace on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut this lace in here. Yeah, I know, you gotta go on a zigzag, don't go straight, blah, blah, blah. Let me cut this main part off and then I'll go back and clean it up. Well, I'll be back when I'm done. Yeah, I'm back after I cut that lace off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this on up. Look, my baby hair is back now. Let's check and see how this looking. And then just make sure y'all run your fingers through when y'all do let the hair back down, if y'all do it this way. Because it's a good chance that, you know, you did have to cut some of them baby hairs or the hairs on the edge. I won't say baby hairs, because I didn't make them baby hairs yet. It was hairs I separated to make the baby hair. So this is it. Okay, I see some lip right there. I just go over and just give it a light little spray like I did on that side. I do that because I like to separate that baby hair from the actual hairline and give it a more like realistic appearance. This is how the middle part turned out. See, it goes fairly far back too. That's a little piece of track, so we'll move that hair over that way. There we go. And so that middle part turned out pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and comb this on out and really just like ever so lightly let baby hairs. I don't really like know how to really do baby hairs that good. Y'all, I did nick myself. Hopefully I see it. I know y'all crying for me. It's okay, y'all. It's okay. So word to the wise, be careful. That's why I knew I had felt that I had nicked myself. That's why I was like, wait a minute, am I taking skin off? And I leave my baby hair slightly long because when I go to slick them, I like for them to kind of like come on down and just slick into the hairline. All right, I'm gonna cut this side. Yeah, this two-part wig, let me tell y'all, it's so crazy working with this small amount of space, y'all. For real, it really, really is. Alright. Let me see if I can get these little baby hairs together for y'all on camera. Cause y'all, I'm whack, so hopefully I can show out, but like, what? Is it because y'all was watching? What? Nope, I might as well just stop. Cause it's too long, huh? Alright, let's try these. Let's just like ease it on back in there, you know what I mean? Just like easing them back up in there. Cause I don't know how to do baby hairs. Hey. Alright, look. Yeah, I'm about to get out camera and fight with my baby hairs real quick. Cause they showing out right now for the gram. Okay, look, I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just untied my hair. So this is what I'm looking like. This is what I was saying, like with the baby hairs, like I like baby hairs, but I really like for them to just kind of be like naturally flowing. So like, is it just kind of weird? They just don't like naturally just like fall down or whatever. Like, this is my part area. I'm about to put a little some water and oil in there. And I got some of this castor oil. Y'all let me know how the back look, because I ain't looked at the back yet. And again, y'all, this is 24 inches is what this is supposed to be. I don't know if she's giving it quite 24, but that's what she's supposed to be. Nah, she ain't giving me 24, but if you was wondering if you could half up, half down this wig, if you ask me, in my opinion, you can. As long as you give it like that little, like, don't try to like be defined with the parts, just kind of like just grab some hair and pull it on up. You know what I mean? Like, just don't be trying to define the part. Just like grab you some hair and pull it up. See if I can get this in here right quick for y'all. Like, I think this will be good for the half up, half down. So yeah, this is RESHINE hair that I'm reviewing. And I got it off of AliExpress. This unit cost me $157, I want to say. So yeah, y'all, this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will be notified the next time I upload a video. Until next time, guys, peace out. Peace, 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 peace.